Hello, my name is Jumana. I'm from Alaa school. I'm in grade 9. We made this project. My friends who helped me are Minna and Ahad. We made this project to help the people who caused the fire. Okay, so this project is made to help the people who caused the fire, and the firefighters can come fastly to put down the fire. So there is a sensor, okay, that feels if there is a fire. It sends directly an alarm to the firefighters and the location, so they can come fastly without any call from people to the fire to the place where the fire is. There is also here light and sound, so the people who are at house can come out because of the fire. It saves lots of lives. Thanks Diwa, thanks Junk Bot.